Hey, welcome to day 2 of our one stencil 4 ways. Today we are making a t-shirt and we are going to be doing a different technique that I'm going to show you. And first thing you're going to do is put something in between your t-shirts so the ink doesn't bleed. So I just have a Cricut mat between there. And then you're going to want to put down your stencil and apply that black. You can use any color. I just like black because it makes the end really pop. So you just want to apply that, and then you're going to want to just take off the excess, and there's your blank. And then I bought in the clearance section there is mystery sample ink packets. Say that 10 times fast. And I bought them because you get 10 and they're all different colors. You don't know what you're getting. And so I'm just going back in and I'm painting these pretty flowers. Don't worry if you're outside the lines. At the end, you can see we're covering that up. So you take your stencil, you put it back on top of your design, line it up as best as you can, and you're going to put black ink on it again. So this is where you don't have to worry if you mess up outside the lines a little bit. Apply all of that good stuff. Wipe off the excess. And look at that! Isn't that so pretty? There's our shirt. I hope you guys like this series. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 3.